This is a video about tuning. First of all, as it says, we really can't address tuning until the embouchure is fairly well established, that we create a consistent pitch every time that we play the instrument. So it's critical in these first few days and weeks of a student's beginning of the saxophone that we do create that very consistent embouchure. Once an embouchure is established, we can start to address higher level things like extreme ranges, extreme dynamics, vibrato, and tuning. On classical saxophone at least, we don't address tuning by dropping our jaw or biting or things like that. We want to have the same consistent airflow, the same embouchure throughout the range and dynamics and tuning of an instrument. As one gets much more advanced, we will be able to make these very subtle changes quickly, but a beginning student should adjust their tuning by fingerings. As it shows on your right below your sheet with blue monk, it has these two lines. Any note below middle or third space C sharp, if it's out of tune, it's likely to be a little bit flat. And right below it, you see how we would adjust it. For example, if we want to make this third line B a little bit sharper, we'll add the side key B flat. And for like this C sharp, we'll add the octave and G key. So your one of two assignments for your next class is to play fourths and fifths, that's how we tune, over a concert A or your F sharp. So you should also have on your sheet a website, and we're going to tune concert A, and we're first going to play unison, and then I'll go to B, and I'll do it normal, and then add the side key B flat. Now I'm used to playing it in tune with the normal fingering. You should do both and see what you like best, and then you continue on to C sharp. So I'll stop that pitch, and then we'll go to the other half of the assignment, which is anything above fourth line D. Excuse me for a second. So anything above that fourth line D, if it's out of tune, it's likely to be sharp, and here's how we fix it. So your other half of the assignment is to play concert C, which you know is your A, plus the fourths and fifths over top, which is D and E. And you bring the D down by the low B key. Here's the A. Right hand fingers change the A differently. So that's your assignment.